Porting Big Block Chevy cylinder heads is a proven method to unlock significant horsepower gains, whether you're building for the street or the strip. By carefully reshaping and refining the intake and exhaust passages, airflow is dramatically improved, allowing the engine to breathe more efficiently. This process not only enhances overall performance, but also maximizes the potential of other engine upgrades. With the right approach, even modest modifications can yield noticeable improvements in power and throttle response. Understanding the fundamentals of cylinder head porting is the first step toward achieving impressive results from your Big Block Chevy engine. The factory BBC cylinder head was engineered with durability and mass production in mind, rather than maximum airflow. Its port shapes and valve sizes are often conservative, which can restrict the volume of air and fuel entering the combustion chamber. These limitations lead to reduced engine efficiency and lower power output, especially at higher RPMs. Common bottlenecks include narrow intake runners, restrictive exhaust passages, and suboptimal valve angles. As a result, enthusiasts often seek aftermarket modifications to unlock greater performance potential. When performing aggressive material removal, it's essential to use the right tools and safety equipment. Heavy-duty carbide burrs are commonly chosen for their durability and ability to cut through tough materials efficiently. Alongside these tools, proper safety gear is crucial. This includes safety goggles to protect your eyes from flying debris, gloves to shield your hands, and hearing protection to guard against loud noise. Ensuring you have the correct equipment not only improves efficiency, but also helps maintain a safe working environment. To achieve a flawless combustion chamber, bowl blending techniques are essential. Begin by carefully smoothing the transitions between the bowl and the valve seats, using a gentle, circular motion with your blending tool. This process helps eliminate any casting imperfections that could disrupt airflow or cause turbulence. Pay close attention to maintaining the original shape of the chamber while removing rough spots. The end result is a smoother, more efficient pathway for air and fuel, contributing to improved engine performance. Port matching is a process that involves carefully aligning the intake and exhaust ports of an engine with the corresponding gaskets. This ensures that air and exhaust gases can flow smoothly without encountering abrupt edges or misalignments that could cause turbulence. To begin, the gasket is placed against the port and used as a template to mark any areas where the port opening is smaller than the gasket. Material is then gently removed from the port using appropriate tools until the shapes match precisely. This meticulous approach helps to maximize airflow, improve engine efficiency, and reduce the risk of performance-robbing restrictions. Maintaining the correct port shape and volume is crucial for engine performance. If the ports are too large or improperly shaped, low-end torque can suffer, making the engine less responsive at lower speeds. On the other hand, optimizing port design can enhance airflow at high RPMs, boosting power when it's needed most. Striking the right balance ensures that the engine delivers strong torque throughout the rev range without sacrificing top-end performance. Careful attention to these details allows for both everyday drivability and impressive high-speed capability. When aiming to enhance airflow, it's important to focus on the short turn radius and valve guide areas within the cylinder head. These regions often present restrictive material that can impede smooth flow. Carefully inspect for sharp edges or abrupt transitions, as these are common culprits. Using precision tools, gently blend and smooth these surfaces, taking care not to remove excessive material that could compromise structural integrity. By methodically refining these areas, you can achieve a noticeable improvement in overall flow efficiency. When comparing stock and ported BBC heads side by side, several key differences become immediately apparent. Ported heads often feature enlarged and reshaped intake and exhaust ports, allowing for improved airflow through the cylinder head. The combustion chambers may also be refined to promote more efficient fuel burn. These modifications are designed to reduce air resistance and turbulence, resulting in increased horsepower and torque. Overall, the changes made during porting are aimed at maximizing engine performance and responsiveness. Dyno testing provides a clear picture of how engine modifications translate into measurable performance gains. When proper porting techniques are applied, some enthusiasts claim increases of up to 50 additional horsepower. However, real-world results can vary significantly depending on the engine type, supporting modifications, and the quality of the porting work. In many cases, substantial gains are possible, but reaching the upper end of these claims typically requires a comprehensive approach that includes tuning and other performance upgrades. It's important to interpret dyno results within the broader context of the entire engine setup. When performing aggressive porting, it's important to avoid removing too much material from the cylinder head. Over-removal can weaken structural integrity and may even lead to cracks or warping under high stress. Additionally, excessive porting can disrupt airflow dynamics, reducing engine efficiency rather than improving it. Careless use of tools can also cause accidental damage to critical surfaces, compromising the performance and longevity of the head. Always proceed with caution and precision to maintain the balance between performance gains and engine reliability. For DIY enthusiasts looking to upgrade their BBC cylinder heads for both street and strip performance, a balanced approach is essential. Focus on proven modifications such as mild porting, high-quality valve springs, and improved valve guides to enhance airflow and durability. Select components that are compatible with your intended use, avoiding overly aggressive cam profiles or extreme compression ratios that can compromise reliability. Regular inspection and precise assembly are key to ensuring long-term performance. By prioritizing quality parts and careful workmanship, you can achieve noticeable gains without sacrificing the dependability needed for everyday driving. In summary, the process of porting plays a crucial role in optimizing muscle car performance. By applying proper techniques and paying close attention to detail, enthusiasts can unlock meaningful improvements in airflow and efficiency. However, it's important to approach these modifications with realistic expectations, as the actual horsepower gains may vary depending on the engine and supporting components. Ultimately, careful planning and execution ensure that porting delivers the best possible results for any muscle car build.